With this message ngifuna understand ukuthi ifear ibalulekile. Ifear ibalulekile. Ifear ingakuphusha ukuthi uachieve early. Ifear ingakuphusha ugcine sewu-improve. Bambala, ifear kufuna ibe lithulusi, ingabi i-enemy elifini yakho. Ifear ebantwini abaningi i-enemy because bantu abafuni kusuka ku-comfort zone. But ifear ilithulusi uma ungayibuka futhi uyithathe njengelithulusi. Why ngisho njalo? Liningi lebantu laba successful today basucceed ngenxa yefear. Lo muntu bekasaba kuhlala kupoverty. That is why wasucceed empilweni. Kunebantu today labacethe isikolo because bangafuni ukuqhubeka baphile kabuhlungu. Lo muntu okutshela ukuthi elifini yami bengisaba ukuthi ngicale ifamily ngiphuwa, bengisaba ukucala ifamily ngiphuwa. That is why ngicale le business. That is why ngichoose le career le. That is why ngisacrificeile. Ifear kwamele ikuphushe ukuthi usacrifice. Ifear kwamele ikuphushe ukuthi uqabangele umndeni wakho. Uma unefear yokuthi bantwana bakho batobahleka, unefear yokuthi bantu batozohlala ku one room, lokho kwamele kukuphushe ukuthi uwakhe lenye indlu noma uextend indlu yakho rather. Ifear kwamele ingakudepress but kwamele ikimprove, kwamele ikuphushe, kwamele uthi the reasoning exercise ukuthi nginefear yokuluza lo mfati. Ngitoluza lo mfati uma senginemtimba lomkhulu lo ngakhona ukumanage. Akusi wrong kuba nemtimba lomkhulu, akusi wrong kuba fit, akusi wrong kuba sidudla, but kuba overweight ngendlela yokuthi uhluleke nawe ukuthi control ku-wrong. So ngikhulumeka kule nto le njengaleyo. Umtimba wakho the more ukhona ku-controla, the more ukhona kuwusebenzisa. So umtimba lo ngakhoni kulawula uyinkinga. Kwamele ifear ikushovele ku-success, ingakushoveli ku-depression. Always kwamele wende into because usaba kuluza. Uma usaba kuluza utowina, but uma ungasabi kuluza uyohlala uyiluza. Uyabona abantu laba wise, laba smart today. Lo muntu okutshela ukuthi bengithi mangihleli nebantu bakhuluma tinto ngokuhlanganipha, bengiba ne desire but bengisaba kufakaza because bengakahlanganiphi. Uvela kutshela njalo. Bengibona ukuthi batongihleka uma ngitozama ukukhuluma lokusengcondweni yami, which means lo muntu bekasaba even nokubeka le point ebantwini labahlanganiphile because bengaka improve engcondweni, bengakafunzi, bengakatholi amabhuku la smart la ngakhona ukuthi improve emcondo wakhe. But ifear imotivateile wagcina sekathi nami ngifuna kufunza ukuze kusasa ngikhona ukukhuluma kuvakala. Do you know ukuthi sometimes bantu bayicala iministry, bayicale because banemali, bangakhona kuthenga imaterial, bangakhona kuthenga titulo, bangakhona kwakha ibuilding lekhulu, babe neinstrument, bacashe bantu labangashaya iband. Lo muntu kulula ukuthi kuye acale iministry, but i-challenge nayo, i-challenge ila uma ucala ushumayela abantu banga improve, ushumayela abantu bangachintshi. ushumayela bantu bangarepent. Liningi lema ministries today awile because akuna change even though umfundisi aqhubeka ashumayela. And umfundisi manje sewunefear yokuchubekela phambili ashumayela because akuna change. But akusisikhathi sokuba oppressed, akusisikhathi sokuba depressed, akusisikhathi soku give up. Uma ufaila kwamele ucale ukuthi improve. Inkinga inawe uma utoshumayela abantu bangatshintshi. Uma utolead abantu bangalideki, iproblem inawe. Funza ama skills e-leadership. Improve first. Kule message yami but audio la ngifundisa khona ngoku-improve ukuthi awuqali ngokuperforma, uqala ngoku-improve. Udzinga i-process before uperform. Awuperform bese uyaprocess. Uqala ku-process, ku-process uyaprepare, ku-process uthola i-level yakho, uthola i-height yakho, uthola amandla akho. But i-performance uveta loku ukhona kukwenda behind the scenes. Yonke into icala ku-darkness, ebumnyameni before ivele ekukhanyeni. So uma lisondo lakho linga-improve, bangakhuli, bangarepenti, bangagucuki, bangasucceed, bangatshintshi indlela yokucabanga, hamba uthi improve mfundisi, hamba uthi khulisa, hamba ufunza much, hamba uthola i-understanding better ukuze abantu bakho ba-improve. Into le ngifuna uyi-understand le, because wahluleka ku-understanda lokho uyofeyila siphelane. Ifear ayikuphushele ku-success, ayikuphushele ku-success ifear. Ungathi ngoba uyasaba so uyabhaca. Liningi lebantu kungafika ifear babhaca, labanye bakhala, labanye bacomplaina. Angeke ukuside lokho. I hope this message will transform your life.